off the road again, set free in the wind. Feels like we found home again, on the road that's grown within.